let me start length of curve. Okay, what is the formula for finding length of curve? So let's suppose if y is equal to f of x and the limits will be varying from x equal to a to x equal to b, then length of the curve can be given as limit a to b root over 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. Then if x equal to function of y, at that case y will be varying from a to b, then length of the curve can be given as integral a to b root over 1 plus dx by dy whole square into dy. Okay, so remember this formula, it is very easy. Then let us solve problem number 44. What they are saying, integral 0 to 1 dx by root over 1 minus x. So how will you write root over 1 minus x? dy dx of 1 by root x is how much? Suppose 0 to 1, if I multiply minus 1 here, minus I have multiplied outside and minus here, so that will be plus root over 1 minus x. As you know the formula, that is integration of f dash of x by root f of x can be written as 2 root f of x plus c. So 2 root f of x plus c minus integral of 0 to 1. So I can write it as 2 root 1 minus x, 2 root 1 minus x, integral limits varying from 0 to 1. So minus 2 root over 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 2 root over 1 minus 0. So that will be minus of minus 2, that will be 2. So I should write 2 here as the correct answer. Then problem number 45, the length of the curve they are asking and they have given y. Whenever y is given as some function x, whenever y is given as function of x, you should use this formula. So for finding length of the curve. So x raised to power 3 by 2, x varies from a to b, that is 0 to 1. So 0, and they are asking what is the formula. First find dy by dx, because in formula you have dy by dx 2 by 3 into x raised to power, what I can write, 3 by 2 into x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, that will be 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, 3 cancel, what you will get, x raised to power 1 by 2, that is dy by dx value is root x. Okay, then length of the curve is how much? Length of the curve is integral varying from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 and root over 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. Then I can write it as integral 0 to 1, 1 plus dy by dx is root x whole square is x into dx. Root 1 plus x dx can be written as integral 0 to 1, 1 plus x raised to power 1 by 2 dx. That thing I can write it as 1 plus x whole raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now what you will get if you do calculation of this part, what you will get, it's easy, right? Yes, it will be like 1 plus x raised to power 3 by 2 and that will be by 3 by 2. Apply limits varying from 0 to 1. This will be 2 by 3 I have taken outside and I have applied 1 plus 1, that is 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 0 raised to power 3 by 2 is 1 raised to power 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1. Substitute in your calculator and I am getting it as approximately 1.218. So which option? 1.218 is approximately equal to 1.22. So option D is correct.